In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SuperTrend Confluence Signals quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to add the SuperTrend Confluence Signals indicator to your Tradingview chart. This is a very quick process, but I'll slow it down and explain what's happening so you know exactly what you're doing and why. Go ahead and open up your Tradingview chart on the market and time frame you like to use. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators and Strategies or just Indicators, but it's the same thing. Click that and it will open the Indicators window right over your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar and start typing SuperTrend Confluence Signals. Type it slowly and carefully so Tradingview can pull up the correct script. As you type, you'll see a drop-down list update in real time with matching indicators. When you see SuperTrend Confluence Signals appear in the results, look to make sure it's the one you want. Then click directly on that indicator name. The moment you click it, Tradingview will automatically add it to your chart. You don't need to refresh or do anything else. The signals and overlays should appear right away over your price action. At this point, you can close the indicators window and focus on the chart itself. You should now see the SuperTrend Confluence Signals plotted visually. Take a moment to zoom in and out and just get familiar with how it displays information on your current market. If you want to fine-tune it, you can head over to the settings icon next to the indicator name in your chart's data window and adjust inputs like length, multiplier, or visual styles to better match your personal trading approach. If you're serious about trading and want more advanced features like multiple charts, extra indicators, and faster data, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks a lot more flexibility for using tools like SuperTrend Confluence Signals efficiently. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the SuperTrend Confluence Signals indicator to your Tradingview chart and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.